5 cross carts. Which one's the best?
5 different challenges: acceleration and braking, suspension, practicality, donuts, and overall performance. Now let's meet today's competitors. So the first test, accelerate as hard as possible, brake as hard as possible, and see what happens. Things that play into this: torque and horsepower, how good your brakes are, the tires, the gearing. So here we go.
All right, acceleration and braking. Almost halfway down the... Yeah. That was fun. It made it fun though. Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah.
All right, 600 time. Now it's time for suspension test. What better way? I'm gonna fill a cup of water and hit the jump. Whichever cross kart has the most water left, that's suspension. Probably less than the 459.
Give her a wiggle.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. How much is on you? Are you a little wetter now?
Oh yeah.
You probably got a full cup. Look at that.
That one.
Dirt in there too.
Oh yeah, that one did really good.
This is the best one.
That one handled so good.
It's my favorite.
All right.
Is there any water left?
Surprisingly.
No way.
I don't know how there's water left. I'm pretty sure I was sideways in the air too. That's a good amount of water. That might be the most so far.
Take a look here. Give it a swirl.
Oh yeah.
That's not bad.
All right. One more.
Next. my gosh. Yeah. This thing is sweet on the jump.
I couldn't believe it.
So now the third test, practicality test. Most of us aren't going to be racing on a racetrack. If you're losing control and you go off in the woods and you crash, how easy is it to get out? If you have a sport bike engine, you don't have reverse. If you have an ATV engine, you have reverse. Depends on how hefty you build it. Is it hard to push? This one will be fun.
So easy, a 12-year-old can do it. Oh no, did you crash? Looks like I did. How are you gonna get out of there? Oh man. Oh no, did you crash?
Well, you made me.
How are you gonna get out of there?
I'm gonna have to push it.
Wait, you don't have reverse?
I don't have reverse.
Oh no.
I've got horsepower.
Got horsepower. Oh, that's a nasty crash. Out on the trails, all alone. Oh, that wasn't too bad. That's not very practical. Oh no, did you crash?
I did. I'm stuck.
How are you gonna get out?
I gotta push it.
Alright, let's turn this thing off. I gotta push it. Gotta get it in neutral. Oh man. Am I even... Can I Flintstone it? Nope, I can't Flintstone it. Alright. Oh, there's thorns in here too. Oh, my wheels are off. This is not very practical. I got it. No, I'm good. Still in the race. Woo! That was tiring. Battery's dying. Oh. Now that this one failed the practicality test, let's do some donuts. So Kyle says I'm really bad at donuts, and it kind of shows. So he's gonna show me how it's done. Let's get to it. Well, this has been a ton of fun, driving all different 5 CROSSKARTs, from acceleration to braking, suspension tests with water. We did some donuts. We intentionally crashed them to see which one's more practical. Things I like, we'll start with the number 14, the Predator 459, the stretch. I'm a taller guy, a lot more room for me. It makes much more sense for me to fit in this. The suspension is also very good in this one. It is so well balanced. Moving to the 27, this one is nimble. This one will go anywhere you want. It's got reverse, it's got the low end torque. Same with the KTM, the low end torque, the suspension is good. That one's just so fast. Then you're starting to get into the high horsepower, 600. You can't use it all. Just out here doing this, everything I'm gonna do is gonna be off-road. That's just more than I need. But hearing it, it's so much fun, going through the RPMs. And then mine, it's incomplete, but surprisingly, the suspension did very good. Even with it running a little rough, it did very good. But again, 147 horsepower, there's no way I'm ever gonna use all of that. It's geared for like 160 miles an hour. So if I could do it again, I would pick things like a 4-wheeler engine, reverse, low-end torque, the stretch. I would 100% put a stretch. Suspension, I'd kind of mix a little bit of everything and find the ones that I like best. I do like the softer for off-road. So if I could do it again, I would do a mix of everything.
Yes. Well, let's build it how you want to build it then.